Welcome to the WafaTech server creation tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to create a virtual server using the WafaTech user interface. Step 1. Access the Create Server page. Navigate to the WafaTech server creation interface. Ensure you are on the correct page to create a cloud server. Step 2. Choose server location. Click on the Location field. Select Jeddah, Saudi Arabia or your desired location from the list menu. Step 3. Select Server Image. Click on the Image section. Choose an operating system such as Windows, Ubuntu, CentOS Stream, Rocky Linux, etc. Select the version of the chosen operating system. Step 4. Configure hardware specifications. In the Hardware section, choose a configuration. Example, WafaTech S1 with 1 vCPU, 1 GB RAM, 20 GB storage at 57.60 SAR per month, build per hour. Step 5. Select volumes, optional. If additional storage is needed, click Create Volume or select Volume and give the volume storage space. Step 6. Networking configuration. Choose between public network or private network. For a public network, select the appropriate network from the drop-down menu. Step 7. SSH key setup. Click Add SSH public key to add your existing key, or click Generate SSH key to create a new one. We highly recommend to use SSH key instead of password. SSH keys provide secure, passwordless access to systems, using strong cryptographic authentication to prevent unauthorized access and reduce security risks. Step 8. Cloud config, optional. Input Cloud Init configuration if necessary. Example, #cloud config. Password, your secure password. Step 9. Security groups. Click Add Security Group to define firewall rules. Security groups are virtual firewalls that control inbound and outbound network traffic to resources within a network based on specified security rules. Step 10. Server name. Enter a name for your server for easy identification. Step 11. Create the server. Review all configurations and options. Click the Create Server button. Confirm the displayed cost as per selected flavor. Thank you for watching this video.